Hola, bienvenidos a Weelko TV.
Hello and welcome to Weelko TV. Today we wanted to introduce you the new podiatry chair, Plant. As you can see, it's a compact chair which stands out for the quality of its finishing and materials. Let's find out together the main performances of the chair. It's equipped with 3 motors, the first one for the height of the chair, the second one for the backrest, and the third one for the tilt of Trendelenburg position. The leg rest adjustment is made by a gas lift that is easily activated by means of a lever. Both leg rests are independently adjusted in height, and thanks to the red button you can swivel them and block them at the second position. Both leg rests include an extensible part that can also be removed if necessary. One of its main features is the maximal position. If you place the chair at its maximal position and you tilt the seat up to the maximum, you can comfortably work even standing. Also, the minimal position is remarkable, which means that all those patients with restricted mobility will be able to easily access to the chair. The headrest part is extensible and detachable, which allows adapting to different heights of patients. See you in the next video.